Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your website up and running on ConvertLabs. So all you have to do is on the menu go to websites. So if we just click on websites, you'll see the different themes that we have available here. So as a quick note, we also have domains, so you can purchase a domain on ConvertLabs. You can do this before or after you get a website, it doesn't matter. But to get a website, you can go through, see these different themes here. Let me see if I could find my favorite one. Probably it would be this one, the Happy Leads. If you click on Preview Theme, you'll be able to preview the themes. This is what your website could look like. So go through, if you don't like this one or you want to look at others, you click on the X here, and then you can find another one, preview it. Here's another theme that we have here. As a quick note, you can change things like colors, images, text, and whatever widget that we have here, those can be different as well. So you don't have to be forced to the one that's on here. But we're really just kind of looking for general layout and feel of the theme. And when you find one that you like, all you have to do is just click on Select Theme up here in the top right. And here what we're going to do is we're going to set up a temporary subdomain. Customers are not going to see this, and you won't really see this afterwards. This is really just so we can get a website up, if we don't have a domain yet. So you can put in anything you want here. Let's just put in awesomemaids.convertlabs.website. Assuming it's available, all you have to do is select subdomain, and it will go through the process of getting your website up. Hosting is included. SSL, secure site security, is also included. So you'll be able to accept payments on your website. Everything's kind of done for you. All you really have to do is just, connect a domain. So if you purchase a domain on ConvertLabs, it will automatically connect for you. If you have a domain on GoDaddy or somewhere else, it's no problem. What you'd have to do is point your name servers to us and contact support, hello@convertlabs.io, and we'll do the rest for you. But if you purchase it on ConvertLabs, it'll be automatically connected and you won't have to do anything. And then basically what you'll be able to do is edit your website, and you're off to the races. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us, hello@convertlabs.io. Thanks.